Put a bend in it so you can catch your spool.
Okay, not quite strong enough to get that in there. There we go.
Okay. We're just gonna let it rip. Let the machine do all the work this time. That's good if it hits the flange before the actual switch.
I know it's good when it's got that clicky noise. At first I thought that was bad, but
you know it's pulling itself against itself.
Right.
Yeah, you got it just right.
It's like basic.
Head now.
It's okay because when it clicks and turns around, then it's pulling it against that other flange.
But you want it to turn around slightly before it clicks. Alright.
With fiber you do, but not that